In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Shopify store by focusing on collections. Collections are an essential part of organizing and managing your products on Shopify. They allow you to group related products together, making it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for and creating a more streamlined shopping experience. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once there, look over to the left-hand side of your dashboard, where you'll see the Products section. Click on it and then select Collections from the drop-down menu. This is where all the magic happens. On the Collections page, you'll be presented with a list of any collections you've already set up. If this is your first time, the list will naturally be empty, but don't worry, that's exactly what we're here to change. To create a new collection, simply click on the Add Collection button. This is your gateway to crafting a unique shopping experience tailored to your customers' needs. Now, let's talk about how to set up your collection. Once you're in the collection creation screen, you'll see some fields where you can personalize this space. At the top, you'll want to give your collection a catchy and descriptive title. This is what your customers will see, so make it intuitive and reflective of the products you'll include. Right below that, there's a space for a description. Use this wisely to elaborate on what kind of products customers can expect to find within this collection. A clear and concise description can enhance your customers' understanding and entice them to explore further. Next, you'll have an important choice to make: whether to set your collection as a manual or smart collection. This decision will significantly impact how products are added to it. A manual collection means you will personally select each product that goes into it. This is a great option if you want total control over which items are grouped together and is particularly useful for curated or themed collections. On the other hand, a smart collection takes a bit of the workload off your shoulders. With this option, products are automatically added based on conditions you set up, such as product type, price range, or specific tags. This is ideal for larger inventories or when you want the collection to update dynamically as you add more products matching the criteria you've selected. Once you've made your decision, just review everything to ensure it accurately reflects the vision you have for your store. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a collection on Shopify that will enhance your customers' shopping experience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling!